Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about crafting your bio properly. Let's get started. Your Pinterest account will attract potential audiences who will discover your pins as they search for keywords that match your content on your Pinterest account. You can craft your Pinterest bio with a few sentences telling your viewers all about your brand. The limit for your Pinterest bio is 160 characters, so you need to take time on crafting your bio properly. You have to make sure that what you put in your bio is relevant and your audience can easily know your brand as they read your bio. First, you have to keep it short. You don't have to make use of all 160 characters to write your bio and tell people about your business in very detailed information. People don't actually bother reading a lot on Pinterest. Remember that it is a search engine for discovering visual content. Take note that your bio will help your account and content get discovered by people who search for keywords that you use in your profile. So be direct and don't beat around the bush. You can start with action words on what your business can do. Next, tell people who you are. Explain what your business is all about in a few sentences or in phrases. First, you can describe who you are or what your brand is. You don't have to write, "I am a social media marketer who has helped aspiring freelance social media marketers to learn the basics of social media." You only have 160 characters to craft your bio, so include the important ones. Be direct on telling people what you can offer them. You can tell who your business clients are and how you can help your customers. These are the most important details that you want to let your profile visitors know about your brand. Next, add keywords. Depending on your niche, choose the best keywords or keyword phrases that you can include in writing your bio. As you can see in this example, this business account was recommended by Pinterest as I type in the SEO marketing strategies keyword in the search box. You may notice in their crafted bio, it's filled with rich keywords that their target followers are more likely to search for. If you try to search for a Pinterest marketing strategy keyword, this business account's pin is still being recommended by Pinterest. Now let's try another keyword phrase from their bio. This keyword phrase, traffic strategy for beginners, returns more pins from different accounts, which probably ranked high on that keyword phrase. But as we scroll down, you can see that this account is still in the top search results of Pinterest, so more and more people can still discover your pins. Next, add a call to action. If you offer free courses or free downloads, like a free checklist, then you can add the link to your bio. People like to get free stuff. When you include a link to the freebie that you're giving away, they are more likely to go to that link. This way, you can even ask for their email address in exchange for the free course or checklist that they can receive. And that's a great strategy to offer them promotions through email marketing. And also, you'll gain more website traffic. Next, include a tagline. Your business tagline must be unique and catchy. It already shows a brief description of what you are and what you can offer. Use keyword phrases that your potential audience in your niche will be searching for and would be attracted to this tagline. Being unique is what will make you stand out from tons of competitors on your niche. Having a properly crafted bio is important for your brand. It will help you attract the right target audience that you want to show your content to. Write your bio without being too cliché. Just be yourself and convey the message in simple terms that your brand will offer your clients. Now that you know about crafting your bio properly, we can now proceed to the next topic, claiming your website on your Pinterest account. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.